How to redeem Roblox gift cards on mobile. Hey guys, welcome back to our channel. In today's video, I'll show you on how you can do this quickly and easily. Now basically, redeeming your gift card on Roblox will go ahead and only work while using your browser. So you cannot go ahead and do this from the Roblox application. You can just head over to your browser right here. Once inside, you can just head over to the Roblox application, because first things first, we want to make sure that we are logged in into our account. And so from here, you can just go ahead and click on continue in browser. From here, you can just go ahead and proceed by logging in your account. And right after making sure that you have the right account logged into the Roblox website, you can just go ahead and edit out the URL right here. And you want to change the home into a redeem button or a redeem word. From there, you will be taken to this page where you can then go ahead and redeem the Roblox codes. You can just enter your gift card code right here, click on the box in order to check the terms and agreement, and from there you can then go ahead and click on the redeem button. And so if this video has been helpful, leave a like and subscribe. I'll see you on the next one. Thank you.